This is AutoReel, a Premiere Pro plugin that turns your raw footage into a finished reel in one click. My videos went from this to this. My videos went from this to this. It's for content creators sick and tired of the tedious editing process. You know. You record something and then it's hours of cutting silences, deleting bad takes, dragging on captions, adding zoom.
10 hours later.
Before your entire video is even watchable. But now AutoReel does it all for you. Here's how it works. Drop in your footage, hit generate, and 30 seconds later, you've got a finished, polished reel. All your silences are gone, bad takes, captions are done, zoom, sound effects, music, the whole thing done. And if you want to tweak anything, your captions, your style, it's all in your control. But you don't have to even lift a finger if you don't want to. An editor would charge you normally 50 bucks for one reel. AutoReel is 50 bucks for 1 month. So after one single reel, you've already broke even.
Nice.
And the best part is you can try AutoReel today for just $1 down. Click below now to try AutoReel today.